Okay, so this is TobenONE USB C docking station. You will see why I call these the docking stations of the docking stations, because they are really that good. I've had them before and I will still keep having them because they actually work, and I no longer need to have the megalithic docking stations that previously I would have had to probably hide them. These ones are actually designed that good that I would like to show them. Let me just unbox it real quick. And the unboxing is actually really nice. And I like this packaging, very minimalistic style. Just USB-C docking station, TobenONE with the logo here. I really love that. Really beautiful design on the packaging to begin with. And here is probably our thank you card. Yep, that's the service card. I will put that on the side. And now we have the star of the show right here. But before we get to that, we have more stuff under here, which means we will have the beautiful USB-C power brick, or the power supply. Let me take it out real quick. Everything, by the way, is really wrapped nice and feels seriously high quality. So here's our power supply. Wow, that is really beautiful. That's a GaN Plus, this 100 watts GaN Plus. So if your laptop supports USB charging and most likely will support data or display out, you can just plug this guy in and have all your peripherals connected to the docking station itself. Next one is a really nice USB-C to C braided cable. As you see right here, this is really nice and high quality, and this is their email. I like that. So in case you need to contact, you have it right here. It's so simple. And besides that, we have the star of the show itself, the TobenONE docking station. Let me peel it off. This never gets old. Really beautiful. This is the front face of it, and this is the back face of it, which we will, oh yes, take all this plastic off. Now right away we have a button that you have to hold click for a few seconds and the white light will turn on. You have a power delivery USB-C 20 watts, and you have a 10 gigabit per second data delivery USB-C. You have a combo 3.5mm jack, which is headphones with microphone, which is basically most of the headphones that have a microphone integrated. This is micro SD card slot right there. I absolutely love that part. And a full SD card right here. And you have a 10 gigabit per second data delivery USB-A. And besides that, in the other side, you have a Ethernet cable, hardwired, which that's what I actually use myself. Here are the USB ports, two USB-A 3.0 and two USB-A 2.0. And here are your HDMI 1, HDMI 2, your USB-C video out, your power in. That's where you would connect this power adapter right here. And the other side is where you would connect the display to your laptop or computer. We're going to test it on both, but this is really beautiful. Again, it is very simple. The power goes in here. You have a little power symbol, and this is where the host, this one, connects from here to your computer. So that's just perfect. The body seems to be some aluminum alloy on all the sides, and the front and back seems to be some really high quality kind of Apple-ish plastic, which of course that's some high quality stuff. And they're marking right here TobenONE, and the model on this one is UDS038. Absolutely a beauty. And on the bottom here you have some rubber feet that it will not slide on the table. As you see, I'm really trying to push it and it doesn't move. So that is really, really beautiful. And definitely I would love to keep this on the table because it looks good and it has every single USB port and reader and anything you would like. So basically you can turn your laptop with as many ports as a full PC has. Imagine that. Now the possibilities on this one are actually quite great, because now any laptop that is supported can become a fully blown PC based on ports, because you have everything on it. And yes, you will go ahead and plug in a few monitors, peripherals. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind, this, yes, will support up to 10 gigabit per second transfer speeds, but you have to be mindful of the limitations that your drive might have. So if your drive has a limit of 6 gigabit per speed, of course, it's going to go up to 6 gigabit. But if you have a drive, whether it's a USB plug-in or whatever, that supports up to 10 gigabit per second transfer speeds, now that's where TobenONE comes in and shines to fully support that kind of speed, meaning you can transfer a game like it's nothing, quick. So let's go ahead, do the drivers, and put a few monitors on it. Yeah, why not? Okay, so here we have a very shiny desktop or monitor looks like. And here's TobenONE USB C port, and we're gonna turn it on. It is connected to this laptop with a USB-C. And yes, your laptop has to support USB-C alt, which means power and display on that USB. And what I have connected here, I have my external drive, I have my phone in charge, and the display outputs are getting out of the back there. And yes, I could plug in my cards direct from the camera and all that. So let's turn it on and see how it goes. Okay, just give it a second, and it is running, and the mouse, as you see, completely flawless. Let me just open, I don't know, whatever, a window right here, for example. Let's see, as you see, the M.2 drive that's connected right here. It's on this TobenONE, and I can just use it just like that. As you see, all just from one laptop. Not a single problem whatsoever at all. It's seriously that good. And I really like this device. In my opinion, it's worth every single penny. And this one doesn't require any drivers or anything. If your device can support it, that means it's just simple plug and play, and you are ready to go. So, but I know this one works on Windows 100%. As you see here, you can go up to 8K depending on the one port. And these ones, these two are actually 4K. And these monitors are quite big. Actually, these are 32 inches. And this one is 28 inches. They're really good. And as you see, not a single glitch at all. And I mean at all. Look at that, just like that. Let me try that M.2 that's connected here, this drive here. Let me just test the drive speed for that. Yep, that's the M.2 drive here. Yep, as you see, as fast as my drive is. Of course, if I had a better drive inside, it would be faster, but it is what it is. And with that said, I really hope you enjoyed. And I highly suggest this TobenONE USB C docking station, because it seriously works that good. It is good. So yeah, and thank you to TobenONE for sending it over. I truly appreciate that. And let's turn it off. Boom, just like that. Now it's turned off. So the laptop goes to sleep by itself in a few minutes anyway. And I don't really bother turning on and off and all that. Just like you see it right now. I really like this. And with that said, please like and subscribe if you don't mind. And we'll see you next time. Bye!